Hello everybody, it's Suf from New Edbox and welcome to your 26th HTML tutorial. Now guys, this is quite an important tutorial since we have reached some certain milestone. So congratulations to you all guys, you've made it. This is the last tutorial in which I'm going to be covering the basics of HTML. That means, guys, that if you have watched the complete series from the first to the 26th tutorial, you have learned yourself all essential and basic topics and subjects that you have to know in order to be able to start building your own website in HTML. So this is the milestone, and this tutorial will be a little bit more colorful since it's a very important milestone, so it's going to be covering a little bit different subject. So guys, without further hesitation, I'm just going to present you with a topic that I want to teach you during this tutorial. Guys, in this tutorial I want to speak to you and talk to you about one quite important subject. That subject is colors. You remember, guys, that I've taught you how to use the colors by entering simple styling in the body tag, and by entering style and background properties and giving the value of green or yellow or blue color, and according to that your website background would change, or header background would change. Now guys, what I want to teach you during this tutorial, I want to teach you how to enter the colors by numbers. Yes, I mean by numbers. Guys, I'm gonna give you a short intro now. In a computer world, in website programming and website building world, there is one combination of three colors that that make all the colors that are available to be displayed on the websites and well, and basically in the world as well. So those colors are red, green and blue, and abbreviation for those for that stands RGB. I'm sure maybe you've seen it somewhere before, but RGB is the simple abbreviation for red, green and blue, and all the colors consist out of different mixtures between these three colors. So note it, guys, because in hexadecimal system of colors, the lowest value of the color is 0 and the highest one is 255, and each and every color, red, green and blue, has as many values. So if you would multiply those numbers, you would get 16 million different variations of any colors. So that's quite a bit, and that's quite a bit of choice for your website background or whatever the section you want to style it. So guys, now what I want to show you during this tutorial, we'll show you where you can find all values of the colors and how can you mix them and play with them. It's quite simple. I'll show you the link, but first of all, guys, I want to build very short website as an example, so you could see how to use those colors. Okay guys, so I took a sample of the code that we've built some tutorials ago, I think in 16th or 17th tutorial, where I was showing to you how to insert the color of the background of your website. So guys, let's just go ahead and retype that code. That code is quite basic and simple. I'm entering the style attribute in body tag, and what I have to tell my browser now, that I want to change and play with the color of the background. And in this case, guys, I would be giving normally a value like green or blue or red. But now guys, what I want to do is enter the number tag, and this tag will tell my browser that I'm building a color which is encoded in hexadecimal value. And I know it sounds a little bit difficult, but believe me, within a moment you will see that it's quite simple and a neat trick that you can play with, and how you can just find the appropriate color for your website. So guys, let's go ahead and build the rest of the code from that previous tutorial. I've just copied in because I was, well, obviously a little bit too lazy to think about something new. So let's go ahead and retyping the same code that I had. Style, background color should equal to, okay, oh yeah, I can see why it's not lighting up, background color, and I will enter the value here as well and let my browser know that it's this is a heading. Okay guys, and one more last thing that I want to build is the paragraph, just to give you a little bit more examples so you could play with it. Okay guys, we have to build here the same thing. Style, oh shoot, style equals background color, and let's give it in the number tag. And okay guys, so, and let's, this is a paragraph. Okay guys, so now we have the structure built pretty much, and now the only thing that we have to do is to enter some information after the number symbol. Okay guys, so now one of the most important things, there are quite a few websites where you can see all the where you can find the RGB values. So you would just simply, you know, type it in on Google or whatever, and you would find that information. But I'm gonna show you guys the one that I'm using. I'm using a link of one certain website, and I hope the owner of this website won't get mad at me, but this is the RGB to color name mapping, triplet and hexadecimal. So hexadecimal value, guys, is listed in this column, so you can see that it consists of out of 6 symbols, and those 6 symbols define the color in hexadecimal value. So let's go ahead and let's grab some random shade of no, I don't want to be blue. Let's go grab a random shade of brown. If you can see, I have here code BC8. Okay, let's just copy. Oh, copy here. Now we are entering information right on there. Let's go ahead and save it. Now let's go ahead and grab another code for the color and insert it here. And one last one that we need, let's grab this one. I'm just grabbing random ones so we would get the live example. Okay guys, so now I've entered all the colors, I'm saving it, and let's refresh the website that I was building right here. There you go guys. You can see that it grabbed the background color, which is not defined by word, but defined by hexadecimal value. And it grabbed the background color for the heading and the paragraph also, that is defined by a hexadecimal value. So that is about it guys for colors. As I've mentioned guys, this is the milestone tutorial, so congratulations to you all who stick with me through all these 26 tutorials. But it's not the end of HTML tutorials guys, because I'm going to be covering a little bit more advanced subjects on HTML within the next 4 to 5 tutorials that are going to include things like embedding a video in your website, embedding a YouTube iframe where you can embed also videos on your website, embedding audio on your website, and many more neat tricks that make your website look really interesting and attractive and engaging to your visitor. So thanks guys, congratulations once again. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video, and I will see you very soon.